Okay, I think the chart is not loading on my end properly. So let's start without any further delay. I hope I am audible. So I'm starting the session now. So no one is responded in the live. So guys, today in marathon, this is the third day. So which is nothing but TCS preparation marathon. And today we are going to discuss about logical reasoning. So I will talk about a lot of tips and tricks, and we will see how to prepare for TCS for your future upcoming off campus. Also, we would like to tell you before the hand that we are posting every important hiring for a 2025 batch and 2026 and 2024 batch every students. So for each batch, we have a dedicated Instagram pages. So follow the corresponding Instagram pages which you want to get the important hiring updates. So all the links are given in the description of the video. And also, if you want to reach us through and if you want to contact us to clear your doubts, so we have a WhatsApp, Discord, LinkedIn, and Telegram channels. So you can always reach to us and you can ask your doubts. And also we are giving a giveaway. So yeah, Vishwa, we will take the giveaways. Why? Because after completion of today, the marathon will be completed and we will see the all the comments and we will pick the students and we will start giving them the all giveaways and we will tell you. Okay. So don't worry about it. So today also we have a giveaway for the 3 students. So overall 3 into 3, 9 students we will pick for this marathon. So today I will give you one question as a giveaway. So whoever completed that, we will give the free access to our prep instructor. So without any further delay, here is the first question. Okay, so everyone please be ready with your rough note. So whenever I'm showing the question, please you have to do along with me. Okay, so let's look into the first question. So in this first question, they're asking about in certain code, A percentage B means A is husband of B. So here the problem is based on blood relations, right? So whenever you have this type of model in blood relations, never read the data first or don't write, for example, percentage means husband and at the rate or ampersand means son. So don't waste your time on the data validation. Frankly, I'm telling you, okay? So never ever waste your time on data validation. Okay, sir, then what we have to do? So directly go to the question and whatever they're asking for, then search for the corresponding statements. Don't waste your time on decoding everything. Whatever they're asking, just decode that. Okay, so here, this is how we are going to do. So just look into the next thing. Guys, please let me know anyone is my voice is audible. Why? Because just now I changed the microphone source. Is my voice is clear now? I think much better than earlier and louder also. Okay, so let's dive into the question how to do these type of problems. Yes, Bhaskar, I'm talking about it. So don't read the information. So directly go to the question statement. Q dollar M. What is meant by Q dollar M? Q dollar means sister. So Q is sister of M. And M dollar P. So dollar means sister. So M is also sister of P. P at the rate C. At the rate means daughter. So P is daughter of C. Next, C hash H. Hash means wife. So C is wife of H. So C is wife means definitely H must be husband, right? And next, H at the rate R. What is meant by at the rate? Sorry, it's not at the rate. Ampersand or and symbol. Ampersand means A is son of B, which is nothing but H is son of R. So H is son of R. So R is parent. And R percentage Z. Percentage means husband. So R is husband of Z. Means Z is female. Why? Because wife and husbands always opposite genders. So this is the diagram we have to design. And just look at the question what they're asking for. Which of the following statement is not correct? So you can, if you know how to do this problem, it's very easy. Option elimination is the best approach. So for example, what is the relationship between R and Q? R is maternal grandfather of Q. So actually this Q, M, P are children of H and M. Sorry, H and C. Right? So mother, father. How to relate R is nothing but father, father. Father's father is grandfather, but father side father, right? Father side grandfather. Father side grandfather will be called as paternal, and mother side is called as maternal. But here they are talking about maternal. So which is a wrong? So you have to choose which is not correct. So option A is your choice or the correct answer. See, for example, H is father of Q. So yes, H is father of Q is true. True means it is not your answer. Z is mother of H. Yes, it is true. So it is not your answer. And Z is mother-in-law of C. Yes, it is correct. So it is not your answer. So you have to take care of everything clearly. If you guys got this concept, Bhaskar and Vishwa and Jahan, Saket, if you understood, please respond in the chat. And also Sandeep, yeah. So let's look into the next question. So I will explain this concept in a simplified manner. Okay, Bhaskar, in the blood relations, there will be a lot of terms like spouse, sibling, niece, nephew, cousin. All these words you need to know before so that you can do these problems very easily. Okay, so just look into the next problem, which is nothing but statements. So the statements are given as some plums are peaches. So just look at here, guys. How I am drawing the picture is important thing. So some some plums are peaches, and so all peaches are apples. So all peaches are apples. So how I am designing the diagram is very important. Okay. Next, some apples are mangoes. Some apples are mangoes. So this is a diagram. So after creating the diagram, what you have to do? This is the second thing, right? So what to do is very simple. Just look at here. Some mangoes are peaches. So look at the only mango set. So I have taken the red color and I am highlighting those two particular sets. So mango is here. So carefully observe. This is the red circle. And peaches. Guys, just look at those two red circles. Those two red circles are independent to each other. Am I right or not? So if any two sets are independent to each other, they don't have any relationship. The case is called as don't know case. If you don't know, I am telling you, any conclusion is wrong. Remember this word. Any individual or independent sets are there, those called as don't know conditions. If you don't know, anything is wrong. Next, look at the apple and peach. So I am just erasing the red color highlighted area. Okay. So again, just look into the apple and peach. So peach is here and apple is here. So apple is superset, right? So can I say all these elements are belongs to apple? So few elements in apple are common with peach. So some apples are peach is true. Am I right or not? Tell me in the chat. So conclusion 2 only follows. It's very simple approach. We will draw the picture according to the statements and we will conclude the answer. So whoever understood, G is in the chat. Okay, so let's do the similar problem so that you guys can understand more better. Yeah, Venn diagram approach is always the easy concept. Even I will follow always Venn diagram. Even there is a plenty of other two more different methods to solve this logical statements and conclusions. But I'll always have a favorite on my side is Venn diagrams. So see, all plates are cups. So how I am designing the diagram? See, all plates are cups. So P is subset, C is superset. Next, all cups are spoons. So all cups need to be in spoon. So C is subset, S is superset. Next, some spoons are forks. So only some portion of the spoons are forks. So just look at here, guys. I had made an intersection only with spoons. Spoon set is outer circle. And I have made only intersection with F and S. So maintaining the individuality is very important. Next, all forks are bowl. So which is nothing but all forks, which is nothing but this is the least possible case. I can cover fork with bowl. So this is the diagram. So let's dive into the explanation now. Which conclusions are right or wrong? Now tell me, bowl and plates, what is the relationship? Bowl is this and plates is this. If you look at those two black circles, they are independent. Am I right or not? They are independent. Independent means conclusion 1 is wrong. So if you don't know, any conclusion is wrong. Next, at least some spoons are bowls. Where is the spoons? Spoons is, I am again erasing the black circle and I will redesign the black circle. So spoons is this circle and bowl is this circle. Now tell me guys, these two circles are intersecting with each other or not? If they are intersecting with each other, can I say some elements are common between them or not? So at least some elements are common. So 2 is correct. Next. All cups are not plates. Where is all cups? These are all the cups, right? And all cups are not plates. So plates is this. See, cups are superset. And this is the area what I am highlighting. Or belongs to cups and not belongs, belongs to cups and not belongs to plates. So the highlighted area, I can say this as cups which are not in plates. So,
But here they are saying all cups are not plates. See here, some of the cups are not common with plates, not all. So, 2 also got wrong. Am I right or not? Tell me in the chat. Some cups are not plates is true. All will be correct or not? Tell me in the chat. Some will be correct. All will be correct or not? All cups are not plates. True or false? Tell me in the chat now. After I have explained. Why? Because a lot of people given the wrong answer like B or D. So I would like to know. Okay. So some cups are not plates is true, but not all. So conclusion 3 is wrong. So first conclusion, third conclusion is wrong means option A get eliminated, option C also got eliminated, option D also got eliminated, option B is correct. I don't have to verify fourth statement. Right? So if you want to do that, you can also do that. No, it's not a big deal. So how to do that, I will explain. So just look at the last statement. All plates being spoons is a possibility. All plates being spoons is a possibility. Yes, in the possibility higher and case, if P is subset of S means there is a subset or equal to case also true. So possibility is always right. For example, I can say P and S are same equal sets. Then I can say all S elements will be in P, all P elements in the S. So possibility is true. So conclusion 4 is correct. Sorry, conclusion 4 is correct. So option B is correct. Yes, Bhaskar, obviously we need to take care of each and every word carefully. If you overlook the words or overlook the each and every element, definitely you will end up with the wrong answers. So that's why a lot of people will get rejected and they will feel like we attempted everything correct. But taking care of each and every small aspects in the question is very important. So many people will think that logical reasoning is very easy. But trust me, it's not that much. Why? Because it's very typical and tricky. Okay. So just look into the next problem. The salaries of Amit and Binit are in the ratio 5:6. Find the salary of Amit. So we need to find the salary of Amit. So here the question is given as statement is sufficient or not. So here the question is depend on sufficiency or not. Okay. So just carefully look at here. First, you need to do this type of problems as one alone is sufficient or not, two alone is sufficient or not. So just look at here, guys. I want to find Amit's salary. And Amit and Binit, for example, A is to B, salary ratio is 5:6. In the first statement, Binit's salary is 12,000 given. Can you find A salary or not? Tell me in the chat. I am asking, can you find? Say yes or no. I don't want answers actually. Yes, we can find the answer. Why? Because we know 6 units, 12,000. Then 5 units will be Amit's salary. So it will be 10,000. But I don't want answer. I just want we can do it or not. Yes, I can do it. So statement alone, one alone is given me the answer. Cool. Next statement 2 alone. The sum of the Amit and Binit salary is 22,000. Guys, tell me, Amit and Binit's ratio together is 11 units. If 11 units is total 22,000 rupees, can you find Amit's salary or not? Tell me in the chat, which is 5 units. So second one also we can do that. So statement 2 alone also sufficient. So 1 alone is sufficient, 2 alone is sufficient to find the answer, so that our answer must be either statement 1 alone individually is sufficient to answer the problem question. So either one of you have to choose. So any one statement is giving you the answer. And also, if you want to get this type of tricky questions, and if you want to prepare for more number of questions like this, we are came here for you guys to give a huge discount on our Prepinsta Prime. So to be frank, I am telling you this. This is the one of the most best discount of the year. Why? Because we are giving for very less cost. So, and with a single subscription, you will get a lot of things. So I will show you what you all get, guys, which is nothing but, for example, you will get a popular languages like C, C++, Java, Python, all preparation course with a single subscription. And along with that, not only programming languages, if you want to learn basic coding, intermediate coding, competitive coding for the digital ninja prime roles, you can learn here. And if you want to learn DSA data structures in C, C++, Java or Python, you can learn here. And data structures for service-based companies also, we have a dedicated course. And also, if you want to clear the written test of TCS or any other companies, we have an aptitude section also, quantitative aptitude, logical, verbal, data interpretation, and visual reasoning, cryptomathematics, essay writing, and game-based aptitude, and psychometry. So all these courses you will get for single subscription. Along with this, also we will include the company-specific preparation modules like TCS, NQT, Digital, sorry, Ninja, Digital, Prime. If you want to prepare for Accenture, Deloitte, Wipro, Infosys, Mindtree. Not only service-based companies, also product-based companies like Microsoft, Goldman Sachs, Amazon, Robert Bosch, or Oracle, Nalsoft, or remaining companies, whatever you would like to prepare. We have a bunch of all the product-based companies courses also. Along with that, if you want to prepare for interview preparation, we have a company-specific interview preparations as well. So we took the past, your seniors experience, and we have included in our courses. And also, you can, if you want to create any projects like Netflix or image-based recognition or American Express or ping pong ball related games. So you can also build these projects like Pokemon, Amazon, user segment, Zomato. So all these things you can do this. Also, if you want to learn the CS subjects, this becomes a recently common thing for everyone. So if you want to learn DBMS or computer networking, SQL, SDLE, all the things you can learn with a single subscription. And if you want to prepare your resume, we have a dedicated resume preparation course as well. And interview experience of service-based, product-based companies also we included. And a lot of things you can learn like puzzles, group discussions, and HR preparation and everything. So all along with this, if you want to upskill yourself, we have included popular skills like data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and in that we have included AWS cloud and QA analyst and ethical hacking, Power BI, cyber security, cloud computing, deep learning, and statistics for data analysis, and Git and GitHub. Everything you can learn from Prepinsta Prime. And also along with that, if you want to become a full stack developer, we have a dedicated course called Full Stack Courses, which includes Mern Stack, Min Stack, which is nothing but React, Node, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and CSS frameworks like Bootstrap, and JavaScript frameworks like Express for the backend, Mango and Query and Express, Node.js. Everything is there. And if you want to design the front end, we have all recently added the Flexbox designing and everything. So you can learn everything with a single subscription. All you need to do is go to prepinstaprime.com/purchase, and the link is given in the live chat, and use the coupon code YouTube and get the maximum discount and get it for very least price of the year. And to be frank, I'm telling you, this is the one of the best time to purchase the Prepinsta Prime. Why? Because this is one of the least prices, you can get the Prepinsta Prime, guys. Okay, so let's get back to the question and answers. So there is a question based on arrangement. Okay, so let's do this question. Are you guys ready? Okay, so look at the question. In a class, there are 7 students, including boys and girls, and A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. They are sitting on the 3 benches, 1, 2, 3, and such that at least 2 students on each bench and at least 1 girl on each bench. Okay, whatever the information so far they have given, I read it and I am done with it. So let's dive into the regular information which we can design the answer. C, who is a girl student, does not sit with A, E, D. So I am thinking there are 3 benches, right? So at least in every bench, 2 persons will be there. And out of 7 students, already 6 got placed. So 1 will be there in any one of the bench extra. Let's see about that bench later. So let's decode the logic. Sorry, decode the statements. C, who is a girl student and does not sit with. For example, I am saying C is here and she is a girl student and she won't sit with A, E, D. So A, E, D won't come or won't sit along with C. Okay, one thing I got. Next, F is a boy student, sits only with B. So F is a male and he only sits with B. And every row will have at least 1 girl, right? This is the information always you need to keep in your brain. So that's why I'm saying immediately, if F is male means B is definitely female. Why? Because F is a boy, they said. Next, F sits on the bench 1. Sorry, A sits on bench 1. So A cannot sit with C. So definitely A need to sit here. Why? Because FB already placed. And A is first bench, FB is second bench, and this is third bench. And A sits with bench, sorry, A sits on bench 1 with his best friends. What is meant by his? His means A is male, his best friend. Here it is plural, which is nothing but A will have 2 friends, not 1 friend. If they said 1 friend, he will say A sits with his best friend. But here they are saying A will sit with his best friends. So it's a plural. So you have to have at least 2 persons along with A. So just look at here, guys. E and D are not with C. Only one option I can place is G here. And E and D must be with A. So this is how immediately you need to manage the question. Okay. And G sits on bench 3. Okay, G sits on bench 3 is okay, already correct. So I don't require this statement. And E is brother of C. So E is brother of C means E is also male. So A is male and E also male. So can I say D is female or not? So at least 1 female need to be there. Next, C. E is brother of C. Now, how many girls are there out in these 7 students? Guys, tell me, can you judge G gender or not? Tell me in the chat. Can you find G gender in the chart? Can you tell me the accurate answer about G? No. Why? Because see, nowhere G gender is mentioned, and also they are saying C, such that at least 2 students will sit on each bench and at least 1 girl sit on the bench. So at least 1 girl is placed in every bench. So if I make G female or male, it won't change any information they have given, right? So can I say this or not? The answer is either 3 or 4. That's why it came up with 3 or 4. Am I right or not? Tell me in the chat. Okay, I hope everyone got the correct answer. Let's dive into the next question. So the next question, I will go a bit quicker. Okay, so the chosen box that is similar to the box formed from the given sheet of paper. So you need to find which box can be formed. So the correct box. So whenever you are doing this type of folding, unfolding related problems, you have to know about one concept, that is opposite figures or opposite faces. Okay. So this empty and this, sorry, it's my bad. So this figure and this figure are opposite faces, and this dot and this shaded area are opposite, and this circle and the empty space are opposite. Okay. So remember, these are the opposite faces. Opposite faces cannot come together. This is the logic in visual reasoning, folding and unfolding. So please, if you don't know about the concept, please watch it in Prepinsta Prime. We have explained in very simplified manner. So how I will solve is nothing but opposite faces cannot come together in valid cube. So you need to find valid cube, right? So which one is the common between the options? So many people will start with 1, but I will never start with 1. You know why? Because 1 is correct in every option. Am I need to verify 1? Tell me in the chat. No. And also, what is the common thing in all the options? I have observed 3. So if I judge 3 is correct or not, then I can eliminate most of the options. Right? So just look at the 3. So all empty places or empty faces. So all 3 empty faces cannot come together. Why? Because out of those, 2 empty faces are opposite to each other. So how can this come together, right? So that's why it is wrong. If 3 is wrong, I can eliminate the option B, I can eliminate the option C, I can eliminate the option D, and I got only one answer, which is option A. It's very simple, guys. Yeah, Bhaskar said it correctly. And the remaining people, if you understood very well, or else please watch the visual reasoning course in our Prepinsta Prime and start doing the remaining problems. And also the next question, just look at here, I am going a bit quicker. Why? Because we are running out of time. In a corona ration queue, 8 people are standing. Jafar is standing to the left of Rashid, but to the right of Pushpa. So, guys, I am telling you frankly, in the arrangements or queues or ranking and order, you don't have to worry about the names. I will only take the initial alphabets. Okay. So let's quickly do that. Jafar is standing to the left of R. So R left hand side. Remember, when nothing is given, like north side. Yeah, Vishwa, why I haven't given the here options is nothing but let's find out directly. So let's do this. Okay, Jafar is standing to the left of Rashid. So our left hand side is your left hand side. So Jafar is here. And but right to Pushpa. So Pushpa right hand side. Okay, it's my bad. Where is the eraser? Yeah. So Pushpa right hand side. So Jafar is left of Rishabh and right of Pushpa. And Omkar is standing right of Naresh. Naresh right hand side is O and left hand side is Prudvi. So Prudvi left hand side means Prudvi left hand side and N is nothing but Naresh. Next, Sanju. So just look at here, guys. Here Pushpa, right? and here Prithvi, right? So here I will write PR. And Sanju is standing to the right of Rishabh. So Sanju is here. Sanju. And to the left of Tanu. So T. And Pushpa is the first and Prithvi is the last. So Pushpa is already in the first position. And 2, 3, 4, 5 people. And 6, 7, 8 people. So if I join these people here, NOP, answer completed. 8 people. And that's it. Who is standing to the left of Naresh? Naresh here, left hand side is who? T, which is nothing but Tanu. Okay, it's very simple problem. I don't have to explain much about it. So let's dive into the next question. So I would like to listen the answer from you guys. So let me check how many questions. Okay, I will explain 2 more questions and I will give you 1 assignment question. So let's do this. From the following Venn diagram, determine how many doctors are either surgeons or radiologist, which is nothing but just look at here. You want to choose the doctors. So what is the doctor circle? This one, right? So can I say my answer will be 3, 3, 4, 170. Am I right or not? Next, the doctors either surgeons. Surgeon means it might be male or female. So I need to consider 3 and 4 both together. Why? Because male surgeon or female surgeon treat as normal surgeons. Next, radiologist. So which is nothing but this circle is common with 3. So I have to skip 170. So if you add this 3 plus 3 plus 4, answer is 10. They said either or, right? So you need to add all of them. For example, if I said doctors who are only surgeons, then you have to choose only 6. Sorry, 4 plus 3, 7. So all remaining will be like this. Okay. So it's very simple problem. Let's look into the next problem. How to do coding, decoding related questions. What is the code for pretty in the code language? Yes, we will remove only doctors and we will add remaining categories. Either or means. Okay. Next, what is code for pretty, right? So just look at here, guys. Where is pretty? So the first statement is they are pretty. So my answer will be either MA or KA or KI. Among these 3, my answer will be there. And is pretty is in the second statement or not? Pretty is not in the second statement. If pretty is not in the second statement, then my keyword also won't be there in the second statement. So Ka is the common word which is already not a for pretty. It is for R. See, R is second place. So Ka is second place in the first and first place in the second statement. So there is no order for the buzzwords or keywords also. So I have eliminated R. So what is the answer for they and what is the answer for pretty? We don't know among these 2. Any one of that might be your answer. So have you predicted the correct answer or not? Tell me in the chat. Have you predicted the correct answer here in this question? No, I didn't. I am unable to find the correct answer. I got 2 answers. So both the statements are together is also not sufficient to find my answer. So the answer is both the statements 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer your question. So option B you need to choose. Okay. And this is your assignment question, guys. And already we are running out of time. This is the last 5 minutes we left. So this is the assignment question. Take a screenshot After the live ended, please comment your answer in the comment section. And we will pick the top 3 commenters after the marathon got completed. And also, this is a placement season. Again, I'm telling you, getting the information in time is very important. Why? Because TCS or any other company, for the registrations, they will give only 20 days hardly, which is nothing but not even 3 weeks. So if you skip the 3 weeks in your life without knowing that some particular company is hiring, it's a huge mistake of your life. Why? Because you are missed a valuable hiring. So don't miss those type of hirings. So if you want to get the immediate updates of any type of hiring or anything, please follow us on all social media handles like Instagram, Telegram, LinkedIn, Discord, WhatsApp. We'll always update the students about the hirings. And if you are a 2025 batch, please follow 2025 Instagram handle. If you're 2026, follow 2026 Instagram page only. And we are always here to help you guys. And also we have a off-campus page. So in the Instagram where we'll post every hiring post for the all the years, all off-campus updates. So if you want to get all the links, which is given in the description of the video, or our moderator is sharing in the live chat, you can use it. Last but not least, give the answer, and we are giving our Prabinsa Prime for the 3 lucky winners. Also, I would like to say, last but not least, again, the Diwali sale is going on. So this is the least prices ever in the year. From the last 2 years, this is the least price you will get Prabinsa Prime for. So don't miss this chance. And all your placement needs will be covered by one Prabinsa Prime subscription. Don't miss that, and use the coupon code YouTube. And thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you can always reach to us. Our team is always happy to help you guys. Thank you so much, and happy Diwali in advance. So guys, the marathon is completed by today. Happy Diwali for tomorrow, and enjoy the day, and happy preparation for your placements. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, I will be there in 1 minute, and I will resolve your doubts, or else we will end the live. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Saket, I won't tell you the answer for the last question. You guys need to comment in the comment section after the live got ended. Don't post it on live chat. Post it on after the live got completed. Okay. So if you guys don't have any doubts, we will end the meeting. So that's it from my end. Yeah, Vishwa, within 1 or 2 days, we will see the comments and everything. These next 2 days will be holidays, right? So we will definitely get back to you. Yeah, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. And yes, bye-bye. Thank you, Shani, for the moderating and everything. And also, let's end the live.